What are the key trends shaping the multifamily real estate market, Neil?
So, we are at a crossroads. Actually, we are recording this in January or Jan Feb timeframe
Mhm.
in 2024, and this is a very interesting time, an extremely interesting time, one that I thought would come many months ago, but now it's finally here. We are at the point where both the market and the Federal Reserve are finally in agreement on something. They're not in agreement on everything, they're in agreement on something important, and that is that the rate hikes are done. More and more of the sitting Fed governors, these are the people that actually set the rates, are saying that they believe that the market, is that they're done and there doesn't need to be any more rate hikes. And a lot of that is because inflation has come down extremely smoothly. 20 months ago, inflation was roaring at 9.2%, which I believe was the highest.